Hi everybody. Oh, good lighting today, that's why I'm doing it one more time. So I'm gonna do a hair tutorial now. It's something that I would use with this. It's a 38mm instant heat ceramic curling tong. Yeah, maybe something what you want to do for Raya if you have an open house. Definitely not balik kampung because panas. If you let go of it. Okay, I already washed it. I didn't do anything with it. I don't know how it became like this, but okay, actually I kind of like it like this. But it's a bit frizzy lah. It can be handled. But today I'm supposed to do a hair tutorial, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I want to section my hair. Okay, so what I do is I section half first. Buruk gila. Okay, I want to make sure there's no knots. I already comb my hair already. Make sure you know tak ada knots semua. If you have straight hair, I suggest to use like something that will make your curl last longer lah, like one of those curl serums. But if you have hair like mine, I don't think so will be such a problem. Still heating up. This one I bought dekat this Vidal Sassoon. It's one of the macam very cheap brands, and if you're like, you know, if you're in Melbourne, they'll call it like the cheap plug, not cheap plug lah, but something. It's the one of the brands yang dekat macam, it's called Priceline, so macam ala-ala macam Guardian macam tu lah. So I put it at the highest heat because my hair is quite thick. 725, you can adjust, but I prefer the highest heat lah, cepat. So the light dah stop blinking, so that means you're good to go to use lah. This you can achieve with big curls lah, but the thing is there are other better brands out there that will give you a better result, but I haven't used this in a long time, so I want to see how it goes. Okay, so before you wanna do it, you go in with the heat protectant. This one I'm gonna try Zeme punya. I don't know this is packaged from tahun bila ke tak, but I had this for so long time. This is a heat defense styling spray. So whatever you're gonna use, a curling iron ke or whatever, blow dry ke, this one will give your hair macam smooth sikit, smooth and tahan heat. Okay, so take a strand, tak kecil over, like that. You clip halfway, you turn, you can buka sikit. That means making sure that all the hair does go on the barrel. Yeah. Okay, lama sikit. Then the ends tu you nak lama-lama sikit lah, about like 10 seconds kot. Longer, lama this time. So you have to feel like your hair is okay. Macam panas, then you let it go. Okay, so there you have your first curl. Then do the same like you cut, you just turn. Basically macam you nak macam kepit, turn. You kepit, you buka kepit sikit, you turn. Towards the end tu jangan lama sikit, so that your ends is the one that's going to follow the style most. The middle tak sangat, that's why because the gravity tarik your hair tau. So it's gonna, so you kena pandai lah agak-agak sikit macam ni. Towards the end you should leave lama sikit. So let go. So have your other one. This Vidal Sassoon okay lah, it gets the job done. I think kalau I fikir, I think about RM60 kot I spend, but I remember it was like $30, around there lah. And this one, it will last you depending on kalau you tak basuh rambut. Lagi lama, lagi loose the curls. So I like it macam the next day, sebab the next day macam nampak macam your hair macam messy like that. The first day not so much lah, because and then usually second day I kena top out sikit because dia tak tahan hair. Okay, so we got that. And kalau style ni is nice kalau you ada layered hair. Sebab when you have layered hair, dia akan create volume. Nanti macam rambut you macam nice lah, macam it looks very macam Victoria's Secret lah konon. But it's nice lah. So that's the side. So you get those kind of loose curls lah. But this one I go away. Away from my face. Another kind of curling tool I like is hot rollers. Hot rollers, whew, you do your hair macam like bombshell. Your hair macam volume. Like if you have flat hair, it's really nice to use hot rollers. And senang, you put it once, you pakai your makeup, 10 minutes later you take it out, dah macam you're ready to go already. You don't have to do all this. Pasang parts lah, just macam sikit hati sikit. Okay, so that's your bottom part. See how Barbie dollish she looks? Okay. Now the top part, I tak nak sections ni. Just put everything behind. Okay, I'm the top part. I'm gonna pull sikit because I nak kasih dia volume sikit. Okay. Like this so that it will give a bit of volume dekat roots ni. If you have lace, senang sikit because your hair macam different levels kan. So now my final one, you should get all the hairs in. Turn it outwards. So when I mean outwards, it's pull. Definitely you can try banyak kali lah, then only you know how to use it lah. Definitely it's not one time you master it. First I guna salah. Memang salah. Okay. So, okay. So, okay, this is my sister behind. Okay, anyway, this is the end of the video. This is the finished look of the Raya hair one for open house. Kalau fringe, if you want to curl also can, but I'm just gonna leave it like this. So this is like big waves. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna have to toss it sikit, so it becomes very big waves. How far the hairspray? Yeah, that one. And the last step, we'll be using some, what do you call this? Saloon Finish Extra Hold. This one Tresemme. I think I bought it, I don't know, 17 bucks worth. Okay. I'm just gonna spray sikit, especially at the ends. Look at tops ni. Okay. And then just hope for the best lah, that will last the whole day. So that's it, and I hope you like this hair Raya tutorial number 1. So leave comment or anything, tell me what you're wearing for budget for Raya and stuff, but we'll do another video showing what we bought for Raya haul. Okay, so thanks guys for watching, and I hope to see you again. Assalamualaikum.